Hello friends, my name is Sagar Kapadia. I am from Krinet Design. So today I will teach you how to use the ready-made icons in your project. So first of all, this is the Figma and we are going to take one square and 100 pixels. We are going to make one button for this radius 3 colors. Okay, outside and fill is gone and this one is the text button. We are writing one name of we are writing one text button, and before that we want to put the icon for this button. So for ready-made icon you need to go to the Figma community where you can search about the icons, and you need to filter from files plus template, not into plugin or widget. And from here you can find out. So this is the file icons with 1700 plus icons, and it is for free for personal and commercial use. So you can go to this file and open into the Figma files. So this is your ready-made Figma files where you can see all type of icons with the variation. So how to use these all icons into your Figma files? So it will easy for to change all the icons. So first of all, select all, Control A, and copy this all the icons, Control C, into your projects. So in our project, there is a you can put all the icons into the different page, just like this. Here I want to delete this, and here you can paste all the icons. So now all the icons are placing into your own Figma files. And if you want these icons, home icons, into your project, then click on this home icon, Control C, copy this icon and paste into your place. Here is a home icon. You can make it big. Okay, now you want to change this icon. How can you do that? You don't need to copy from the other files and all the things or any other plugins. You don't need to use any plugins or other files. Just need to click on this icon, and from the here component, here is a home fill icon. You can see all the icons which we have copied. We can see it here. If you want this notification icon or notebook icon, then we can place it. We can change it anytime because all the icons are into our own file, not any other file. uh, from this we can use all these icons into our own project. If we want to remove this icon, suppose if don't we don't need any media icon, then we can delete it. Okay, so we have some limited set of icons for this project, so there is a no any dependency for other files or other plugins. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video.